Trader, Google and the U.S. Justice Department trying to break Google's business up. But let me tell you something. They could break it up. It would be worth more money broken up than it is the way the rumors have started. And they're looking at it very carefully. So, once again, as the dips go lower, then we're looking at buying with protective stops. We do like it. The stock rallied tremendously, okay? And we've had 4 days reversal, and we're filling in a gap on the bad news. But let me tell you, there's a pro and con about the news. Remember this, longer term, Google's worth more money as a broken up company than the way it stands today. So get your facts, get ready to buy dips,